I'm I'm on the inside of this home, obviously, and I was asked to come out to see what this heaving cracks were. And there's a keyway joint that runs through this house that was installed when the house was built, when the concrete was poured. A keyway joint is a tongue and groove piece of metal that's installed in the floor so concrete cracks where it's supposed to, in a straight line, because everybody knows the concrete's guaranteed to crack, not blow away or get stolen. There's also another keyway joint that comes up to this other joint here. If you notice, this crack does not go this way, because it stops right at this other keyway joint. And that's like it's supposed to. Exactly what it's supposed to do. So unfortunately it comes up here just a little bit because of the sides of the home are going down, and this is going to be lifting up, causing these cracks in this ridge material, the tile. So what I'm recommending is to take these 4 tiles out, and if you can't find the same tile, then I don't know, maybe you can renovate the bathroom and maybe save a few tiles from there and do something different in there and put those there. Or you can just use acrylic, water-based cementuous product like you use for stained concrete, for coatings on floors, pool decks, that sort of thing. You can do that too, and then color it to resemble the same color. But what's going on here is not tree roots, it's not earthquake, it's not expansive soil, it's not because your house was the last one built in the neighborhood and that's where they put all the trash. All of those things are what salesmen say to people. My name is James Belville. I'm a master concrete finisher myself. I am a member of the International Concrete Repair Institute worldwide, and also American Concrete Institute here in the United States. And this is what this is. These are keyway joints that were installed when the house was built, and recommending that maybe you grind this down just a little bit because it is a peak right here. And your tile guys can put the glue down the felt to help keep the crack from transferring up through the tile, or any cementuous material to put back down on top of here. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, 602-418-2970. Please go to our YouTube channel at Concrete Repairman LLC. You can watch videos on a lot of the subject matter that I just spoke about. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.